There's 14 eggs.
Alright, we got one.
We got one.
It's past 3.
We got that one over here.
Oh, nice thing.
Yeah.
This one's flat.
Yeah,
That's the compass egg.
Yeah, I know. And they've been out in the hot sun all day.
That one over here.
There you go.
Which one's that one? It's the money egg.
Did you tell Grandma and Grandpa what the Easter Bunny got you?
Yeah, he told me when he called this morning.
Oh, okay.
That one over here.
It's got bugs on it.
He's looking.
Oh, that one over here. Maybe like this one, remember?
I do. Love the leaves. Nice touch. Keep looking. So you have 2 more that'll fit in here, right?
Yes.
Well, your hay from the side of the house, by the way.
Okay, thank you.
Definitely let me bring it down here.
Well, I didn't know if you had any like where we might step on them.
Oh, okay.
Try looking up a little bit too, Mike.
That one up here.
It's the chicken egg. Or the turkey egg.
No, where is one?
Keep looking. Michael.
Where? Oh, over by here. Got it over there.
Did you see Grandma's hay that we bought yesterday?
No.
See, she put it over there.
Oh, there's two eggs. Oh, there's one.
Just one. It's the fish egg.
That fish egg.
Uh-huh.
I know, I'm more.
Looking.
Ooh, your backyard is hot.
Yeah, it always is hot. Yeah.
Oh, I open it.
See one? Careful, don't step on the plants.
Nope, you have to see what I'm here.
Where are they?
Where?
Go look. Go. Go look. Go look. Go look on the steps.
Okay.
The steps. Look. Stop.
Careful on these steps. The ladybug egg.
Good.
There's one more.
We still got more. We got more than one. Are there any of these
Mike.
flowers, you think?
Here one over there.
Oh, you're right.
Here.
Found another one?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Did you look up here, Mike?
Are there any over here?
Look up where Grandpa is.
No. Yeah, you didn't look up where Grandpa is. Oops. Lost the
What,
shoe.
are your shoes too big, Mike?
Yeah, they're actually 11s and he's 10s. They didn't have his size.
You see any up here?
But I
maybe?
figure he's going through growth spurts, right?
Oh.
Up here, maybe? On the bench, maybe?
Oh, over here. You pulled one over here. There's one more.
No,
Yes,
you
I could see one. That's the one I
There's
saw.
one over here. Okay.
put it in.
There's one more.
2 more.
I can see one way up there.
And there's the
Yeah,
hay
look at
Dad
there.
left on the side of the house.
Stop.
And that doesn't stand out. Look through the gate.
Right
There's a-
here. But this one I'll
Michael,
crack
what
it.
is that? Look, Mike.
Look!
Bob. Come here.
Look! What is that?
Easter bunny.
An Easter bunny?
It's the Easter Bunny.
It's the Easter bunny!
Oh my gosh.
Just say hello to the Easter Bunny.
He's the one who hid all the eggs and gave you presents today.
Yeah.
Hi, Mr. Easter Bunny.
Can you go say
Hi.
thank you to him?
Hi, Mr. Easter Bunny. He's pretty cool, Mike. He's hiding the eggs.
Can you say hi to him?
But look at, he's got an egg in there for you.
Wow.
Thank you, Easter
What do
Bunny.
you say, Mike?
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Look at him jumping around.
Yeah, that's pretty good. The Easter bunny came.
What did you get in the
Mike?
egg, Mike?
Candy. Whoa, you got
You've got
quarters.
money to put
Money!
in the bank.
Wow!
Thank you, Easter Bunny.
That's nice. Say thank you, Easter Bunny. That's great.
Hug. You want him to come back next year and give you stuff, right? Go give him a hug.
He's happy now. He's hopping away. Look, he's
Look,
hippity
there he
hopping
goes.
away.
There he goes.
Buddy.
He's going
Bye,
down the
Easter
Easter Bunny
Bunny.
trail. Down the bunny trail.
Bye.
Bye, Easter
Oh,
Bunny.
outside.
We need one more egg.
Well, that was really nice.
Should have the Easter Bunny help you find it.
How cool is that? You're looking for Easter eggs and you found the Easter Bunny. How
You must
cool
have
is
made
that?
sure that you got him okay. Michael,
It's amazing he wasn't told to freak by him.
Michael, look at me.
Because he was scared to death of him.
Yeah, I went up and shook his hand. I think it helped.
Oh,
The one up.
Well, and he got gifts from him today. I think that helps.
Yeah.
The puzzle egg.
Ta-da!
Found all the eggs. Yay!
job,
Good
Mike.
job, Mike.
Hey,
Awesome!
You did it!
Yay!
Adam.
And here, this one's for you to keep. That has your money in it.
Well, they're all for you to keep.
nice.
Mom's gonna take them home and save them in her fridge, right, Mom?
Yeah.
After they've been sitting out in 80 degrees all day.
Mm-hmm.
I bet.
They'll be yummy.
Is he hanging around?
They'll be yummy in my trash can's tummy.
There's beer in the fridge.
Mike,
Maybe
you
the
hear that?
Easter bunny would like a beer.
Easter Bunny left beer for Daddy.
Did you have a good Easter, Mike? Did you get good stuff for Easter? Yeah.